Welcome to the Avant-Garde Hairstyles collection from MHDPro. This collection develops the avant-garde hairstyling skills required to allow your imagination to run free when creating your own bespoke looks. You will learn the importance of combining refined classic styling and dressing techniques to prepare the hair and build and attach avant-garde additions to achieve futuristic and fantasy-inspired looks. On completion, you can download an exclusive CPD Certificate of Recognition. In Lesson 1, Ilham Mestour demonstrates how high levels of methodology, cleanliness and refinement are the key to developing an avant-garde spherical shape hairstyle. You will learn how to create the perfect ponytail that will act as a base to secure your hand-built spherical shapes. Expression continues in Lesson 2 with an innovative, pioneering form that is molded to the head shape. The hair is then sculpted around the structure to create a beautifully balanced shape of curves and swirls. In Lesson 3, you are back with Expression, learning how to create the perfect balance of form and texture to achieve a hybrid avant-garde look inspired by the 1940s and 1980s. In this lesson, you will learn how to secure and enhance your look with an anti-skid thread. In Lesson 4, Hestor Wernet-Rijn demonstrates how to create the base for the avant-garde fantasy look that you will complete in Lesson 5. Hestor teaches the foundation techniques that are used regularly by hair artists for the creative session and fashion work. And finally, in Lesson 5, Hestor guides you through the second part of her deceptive beauty hairstyle. This tutorial incorporates numerous techniques such as basket weaving, 4-strand and rick-rack braiding, as well as applying extensions and added hair to achieve the final fantasy look, a fusion of technique and color inspired by natural, organic forms. Use our See, Do, Stop, Check method to practice, develop and master the skills in the Avant-Garde Hairstyles collection. Complete this online course and receive an exclusive CPD Certificate of Recognition. Buy the Avant-Garde Hairstyles collection now, only on MHDPro.com. MHDPro, learning at any pace, any place, any time.